Good morning. Let's start with our grammar class. Today we are going to learn joining words. Two joining words. There are so many joining words, but we are going to learn about and but. Only two words we are going to learn. How will we use and but in our sentences? Okay. So what are joining words? Words which join two sentences are called as joining words. Words which join two sentences are called as joining words. And but are examples of joining words. Now I will explain it to you using examples. Okay. Today we are going to learn first and. Okay. This is used, when are we using and in a sentence? When the sentences are similar. Similar मतलब एक जैसे we are talking about one thing. Okay, I'll give example. I called Joy, and when I talk about Joy itself, Joy himself, or that person only, or that particular thing only, then I will use and. I and Joy talked for an hour. Okay, these are two sentences. दो sentences है. I called Joy. Called मतलब phone किया. I called Joy. फिर सेकेंड सेंटेंस क्या है? आई एंड जॉय टॉक्ड फॉर एन आवर. हमने फोन किया. वी कॉल्ड ईच आई कॉल्ड जॉय एंड हमने एक दूसरे के साथ 1 घंटे तक बात किया. आई कॉल्ड जॉय एंड देन व्हाट? आई एंड जॉय टॉक्ड फॉर एन आवर. ठीक है. सो वी हैव यूज्ड एंड ओवर हियर. आई कॉल्ड जॉय, ये दोनों सेंटेंस को एक साथ कर दिया. वी हैव कंबाइंड दिस सेंटेंस and we have written I and Joy means what? We. Okay, I and Joy means what? We, दोनों जन है ना. We में I am also included. I called Joy and see, look here, we talked for an hour. I called Joy and we talked for an hour. दो सेंटेंस को हमने साथ में कर लिया and the meaning has not changed. And what? The sentence have become, two sentences become one sentences by the use of the word and. And is the joining word which is joining these two sentences. Okay. Now but, when will we use but? When we use the opposite ideas. We are expressing some opposite ideas. दो sentences हम बोल रहे हैं but उसमें opposite ideas है. जैसे कि suppose I called Joy. Joy was not at home. Okay, तो इसमें बात हुआ क्या? नहीं हुआ. They were not able to talk. Why? Because Joy was not at home. Okay, so now when we want to make or join this sentences together, what I will say? I called Joy. Here I am using but. Okay, but he was not at home. Okay, ये opposite ideas है, इसीलिए I called Joy but he was not at home. Okay, समझ में आया? When we are talking about two similar things, एक जैसी चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, तभी क्या होता है? तभी हम and यूज करते हैं. और जब अपोजिट चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम but यूज करते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? सेम चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं. when we are talking about similar things, सिमिलर एक जैसी चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, that time what we use and अलग अलग चीज मतलब अपोजिट चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, that time we use but. Okay, understood? One more example I will give. Lion is a huge animal. Lion is the king of jungle. Okay, so when we are talking about lion, we are giving information, two type of information about lion. One, lion is the king of the jungle and it is a huge animal. Okay, so together when we put, what we will say? Lion is a huge animal and the king of jungle. Okay, so here we have put and, because we are talking about the same lion and we are giving more information. Okay, but once when we start talking about two opposite things, We saw it in that example. We are talking about two opposite things. That time we are using but. Okay, we'll do the exercise, and as and when we do more and more examples, you will come to know better. Okay, chalo. I had an apple dash a glass of milk for breakfast. Okay, now दोनों चीजें उसने breakfast में खाया. What things he has had in breakfast? Apple, glass of milk. So what should I write? We are talking about only one thing, that is breakfast. तो क्या लिखेंगे? दोनों चीजें खाई है. Both the things the child has in the breakfast. So what I will use? And. I had an apple and a glass of milk for breakfast. Okay, understood? Okay, chalo. Amit dash Anil are friends. Now both are friends. So what I will write? Yes. And Amit and Anil are friends. Okay, now look here. Sona is tall, Mona is short. Okay, these are tall and short. We are talking about two opposite things, tall, short. So what should we write over here? But. Sona is tall, but Mona is short. Okay, Sona is tall, but Mona is short. Now look here, the next one. The lion is big, and here it is written strong. We are talking about the lion. Lion के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. Lion is big and strong. Okay, the lion is big and strong. Understood? Okay, when we are talking about the same things, similar things, एक जैसी चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तभी हम and use कर रहे हैं. Okay, look here. For breakfast, apple and a glass of milk. Amit, Anil, friends, and we have used. Lion is big and strong. Again here and we have used. Otherwise, what would be the sentence? यहाँ पे दो sentence बने हैं. Actually, I had an apple for breakfast. I had a glass of milk for breakfast. तो दोनों को साथ में मिला के and बनाया. Amit and Anil are friends. Same way. Okay. The lion is big. The lion is strong. We have added both the sentences with the help of and. Okay. Now here we are talking about two people who are opposite. That is the reason we have added but. Okay. Chalo, let's look at the next sentences. The fox jumped. He could not get the grapes. उसने jump किया but उसको grapes नहीं मिला. Could not. So this is opposite. Okay. So what we will write here? But. The fox jumped but he could not get the grapes. The sun rises in the morning, sets in the evening. अभी किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Sun के बारे में. So we are talking about what is the sun doing. Rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Sorry. I called Rohan. He did not hear me. अभी इधर not आ गया. He did not hear me. मैंने उसको बुलाया but उसने मेरी आवाज नहीं सुनी. He did not hear me. So what will come? Opposite is there. So but he did not hear me. The girls came home dressed for the party. And dressed for the party. The girls came home and dressed for the party. Okay. The hare is fast. The tortoise is slow. Okay, fast and slow. So what we will write? But the tortoise is slow. Ashok and Tina looked around, dash crossed the road. And crossed the road. Looked around and crossed the road. Okay. We took our umbrellas, dash it did not rain. Umbrellas तो लेके गए. बारिश नहीं हुई. But it did not rain. Okay. Soma took her books, dash closed her bag. And closed her bag. Bags लेके books लेके bag close कर दिया. And closed her bag. Okay. Understood? So that's all. Once you keep on reading more and more, you will be able to use and but appropriately. बराबर आपको use करना आ जाएगा. Okay, practice की ज़रूरत है. Just remember कि similar sentences होंगे तो and use करना है और अगर अलग अलग होंगे तो but use करना है. Okay, चलो. That's all. Complete this in your इंग्लिश नोटबुक। ठीक है, ये सारे 12 के 12 सेंटेंसेस आपको इंग्लिश नोटबुक में लिखने हैं। डोंट टेक हेल्प ऑफ योर ममा और पापा फॉर राइटिंग द सेंटेंसेस। कंप्लीट द होल एक्सरसाइज योरसेल्फ, खुद ही लिखना है पूरा का पूरा। ओके, चलो बाय, सी यू।